Hi guys, I just want to share with you this great news from Sonos. So basically they released the AirPlay 2 functionality on the latest Sonos speakers, which mean you can play any sound from your iPhone, iPad, Mac directly to your Sonos speakers using AirPlay. So you don't need to use the Sonos app anymore. So basically, if you have any app that is AirPlay compatible, you could stream from it. So if you, for example, if you have you could stream from YouTube, from Netflix, Apple Music, Spotify, from your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. But the AirPlay 2 functionality is only compatible with the following speakers, which are the Play 5 second generation, the Sonos One, the Play Base, and the Beam. So for example, it will not work if you have a Play 1, Play 3, or Play 5 first generation. So for those of you guys who have those speakers, I have a link down there in the description where you can use, where you can make it work with a third-party app. Or what you could do, you could buy a new Sonos speaker that is AirPlay 2 compatible, and then when you group it with your old Sonos speakers, your old Sonos speakers will become AirPlay 2 compatible as well. Also with the AirPlay 2 functionality, if you have Apple Music, you could control your Sonos speakers using Siri. So for example, you can ask Siri to play a YouTube song and it will play on your speaker, or you can ask Siri to turn the volume up or the volume down. So let me show you how it works. So the first step you need to do is you need to go on the Sonos app and you need to do the latest, download and install the latest update. You will have a pop-up in the update section. And once you do this and you download the app, the latest version, then you will be able to use the AirPlay 2 functionality. So I'm on my iPhone right now. I'm using iOS 10. If you need to scroll from the bottom to the top, and you will have this control center showing up. If you have an iPhone 10, I believe it's from the top right that you need to scroll. And here, if I swipe right, I have a section where I see iPhone. I click on that, and then I'm able to select my Sonos speaker here, which is living room. So once I do that, all the sound that will be playing on my iPhone will be played on my Sonos speakers. Or I could use also the little shortcut here, like the window, where if I click on that, then I can select my Sonos speaker here as well. And on the Mac, it's pretty easy. So you just go to the little apple and then you click on System Preferences, Sound, and here you can select your Sonos speaker as well, which is my living room speaker. So so now when I select it, everything that I will be playing on my Mac will be played on my Sonos speaker in sync, of course. So if I play a YouTube or if I play Netflix, the video and the sound will be in sync. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more Sonos news and more tech related topic as well. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day.